I welcome you again to this episode of Physical Geography, where today I come up with new topics relating to weathering. Remember that we are talking about different multiple choice questions, but relating to different topics of geography. Let's start by this one. Let's start by the question number 1. What is weathering? What is weathering? They give us different options, but they want us to choose the meaning of the term weathering. So before selecting the right answer, but I would like to remind you the meaning of the term weathering. When you talk of weathering, refers to the breaking down of rock or disintegration of rock or decomposition of rock into small particles in situ. So meaning that rock are broken down into small particles, but they stay in the same position. They don't move anywhere. So that is the meaning of the term weathering. Referring to the different meanings given, we are going to see which one is corresponding to the meaning of the term weathering. A. The movement of rocks by water. B. Breaking down of rocks in a place. C. Formation of volcanoes. D. Erosion by wind and water. So the correct answer is this one, B, where there is breaking down of rocks in place. Let's go to the question number 2. The question number 2 is asking, which of the following is not a type of weathering? So normally you have the three main types of weathering: physical weathering, chemical weathering, and biological weathering. And you are going to see which one is not belonging to the three types of rock that I mentioned. A. Physical weathering. B. Chemical weathering. C. Biological weathering. D. Tectonic weathering. So the correct answer is D, because tectonic weathering does not exist as a type of weathering. So if it is for the first time to watch video on this channel, make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you give comments so that we can keep on improving our teaching and learning practice. Let's go to the question number 3. What is the main cause of physical weathering or mechanical weathering? So we are going to see the main cause of physical weathering or mechanical weathering. So normally mechanical weathering, its main agent is temperature, where temperature causes expansion and contraction of a rock. So meaning that as process continues, the rocks will get cracks, will have cracks, and eventually break down into small particles. So let's read. A. Reaction with acid, which is not. Plant's root action. Temperature changes. D. Dissolution. So the correct answer is C, which is temperature change. So this temperature change, it is the main causes of physical weathering. So let's go to the question number 4. The question number 4 is asking, which weathering process involved in the reaction of minerals with water? Which weathering processes involves the reaction of minerals with water? A. Oxidation. B. Hydrolysis. C. Exfoliation. D. Frost wedging. So here the correct answer is hydrolysis, as the processes of chemical weathering where there is reaction of minerals with the water. We go to the question number 5. The question number 5 is asking, which of those is an example of biological weathering? They give us different options, but they want us to choose which one is an example, is corresponding to the chemical weathering. A. Cracking of rock due to heat. B. Rock dissolving in acid rain. C. Roots growing into the rock cracks. D. Rocks breaking under pressure. So the correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Roots growing in the rock cracks. It is an example of biological weathering. We go to the question number 6. The question number 6 is asking, what is the frost wedging? A. Expansion of plant roots in the rocks. B. Expansion of water as it freezes in the crack. C. Melting of rocks under pressure. D. Wind carving rocks surface. So the correct answer is B, where there is expansion of water as it freezes in the cracks. We go to the question number 7. Oxidation weathering is caused by A. Wind action, B. Sunlight, C. Reaction with oxygen, D. Change in pressure. So the correct answer is C, where this oxidation it occurs due to when there is reaction of minerals with the oxygen. So the correct answer is C. We go to the question number 8. The question number 8 is asking, which of the following occurs due to exfoliation? The surface layers of rock peel off. B. Rocks absorb water. C. Rocks dissolve in acid. D. Sand is blown away. So the correct answer is A, because this exfoliation occurs when the surface of rock is peeled off. We go to the question number 9. Chemical weathering is most effective. A. In cold and dry climate. B. Hot and dry climate. C. Cold and wet climate. D. Hot, wet climate. So the correct answer is D. It occurs in hot and wet climate. We go to the question number 10. The question number 10 is asking, which of those is a direct result of weathering? A. Volcanic formation. B. Soil formation. C. Earthquakes occurrence. D. River formation. So the correct answer is B, because weathering leads to formation of the soil. And remember that weathering is a process of soil formation. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.